Well, the ultimate goal of the Maple Grant Project really is about developing and encouraging the development of a maple syrup industry here within the state of New Jersey. So what we're really trying to accomplish is basically to figure out some information about how to effectively develop a maple syrup industry here in the state. So we're looking at a variety of aspects. So it's going to be kind of very multidisciplinary in our approach to it. So we have economists involved, we have folks like me with forestry background, so more of an ecology background. We're kind of bringing all those expertise to bear.
New Jersey has an abundance of what are called red maple trees that can actually be used to make maple syrup. We haven't really exhausted that resource yet because we really didn't have the technology to do so, but we might now. And so this project is to really investigate whether we can make maple syrup production feasible in South Jersey.
So our vision is to be the educational resource in South Jersey regarding all things maple. There hasn't really been a maple industry here in South Jersey, and we would like to be the start of that here at Stockton.
The Maple Grant has three main components to it. The first one is sort of illustrated here with all of this tubing, and it's to create a viable maple syrup sugar bush here on Stockton's campus. The second part is really research-based. So our scientists here at Stockton have created relationships with bigger landholders throughout all of South Jersey. The third component is really what I'm focused on, and that's outreach. We are really just trying to build a community of people interested in this topic in South Jersey.
So the ultimate goal of this project is to establish a maple industry in southern New Jersey specifically. We don't really have much of an industry because we don't have the primary tree that is used for tapping, which is the sugar maple. We have more red maples historically throughout the southern half of the state, and so we're trying to see, can we tap those trees? And if we can, how sustainable is that aspect of the project, and how economically feasible is that as well?
So the end goal for the Stockton Maple Grant is to be the leading educational resource in South Jersey. And if this raw material can be a viable resource within South Jersey, we would like to be the base at Stockton.